My name is Yumna Zainab and my registration number is FA19BCS089. As the introduction says, our application is Karate Expert application and the module that we have implemented is course registration for students. So I have done the front end of the module. So I have created the front end using basic HTML and CSS. This module is basically for students who can register their course in karate according to the level, medium, advanced, and beginner. And then they can choose their trainer from the given list. As well as they can withdraw the course if they want to. So starting the front end, students selects the course registration button in order to register the course. Here there are beginner level, medium level, advanced level. According to his or her own level, he'll select the level. Here comes the list of the courses which he can register. So before registering this, he can watch the video as well.
Here are the top 3 kicks for karate beginners. I know that when I started karate and I wanted to do kicks, the movements of the kicks had to be simple and the timing had to be easy to understand. So these 3.
So he can have the idea about the course through this video as well as the information written here. So he'll select the course which he wants to register, and after that he'll press the submit button. Here comes a list of trainers among which he can select his trainer. So by selecting one of the trainers, he'll press the register button and the course will be registered. So moving back to another level, medium level, same goes here. There's a list of videos, list of the courses which he can see. To have a basic knowledge, and similarly press the submit button and select his trainer. So moving back, here comes the advanced level which has similar functionalities which shows its course and the videos of specific courses. Similarly, he can press the submit button which will lead to the trainer list. So now moving back, after registering, if he thinks that he wants to withdraw some course, he may select the withdraw button, course withdraw button, which will lead to a course withdrawal page. Here he has to enter the level and the course name. Now pressing the withdraw button, course will be withdrawn. So this is the front end of the application. The back end will be explained by my group member.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arish Momina Ahmed and my registration number is FA19BCS090 and I am the other member of group 16. We have made the module course registration of the Karate Expert application and I have done the back end in JavaScript and Visual Studio IDE. Here we have 2 functions, course registration and course withdraw. Both of these functions have different functionality attached to these buttons. If we press the button course registration, the functionality of the course registration button will be called, in which there will be other buttons that will be beginner level, medium level, advanced level and back. Each of these buttons are attached with different functions on the back end, and when we press each of them, the specific functionality at the back end of the buttons take place. For example, if we press the beginner button, we will see these check boxes that will show you all the courses. All these courses have been hard coded in the back end, and the user can select from any of this course one at a time, and then what happens at the back end, that this information is stored, and then when the user press submit, the functionality takes the user to the next page where he or she can select from a trainer. The names of the trainer are also hard coded at the back end, and then when you select from one of the trainers, it stores the data, and when you click register, then a message is shown that is course registered, that that is a message that your data has been recorded and saved at the back end. And then when you press OK, and then there's a functionality on the back function that takes you to the main page. And all of these levels have the functionality that is same but different for all the levels according to the level. The beginner level has the same courses, but they are for the beginners, and the medium level has the medium level same courses but at the medium level, and so has the advanced level. Then there is another back button that has also the functionality at the back end that is specified that it has to move to the main page. After that, we have another button that is course withdraw. The backend functionality of the function is that when you press this button, this will call the withdraw function, and this will move towards move you towards the course withdrawal. And then when you enter the level, you have to enter the level of the course that you have chosen, and then the course name. For example, we have chosen the name Kicks. Now what happens that when you press the withdraw button at the back end, the code checks if this this course is entered or stored in your courses list. If that is present there, when you press withdraw, the course is withdrawn and removed from your courses list. That is the functionality at the back end. And when you press the withdraw button, the functionality for this button is that it shows you the message that it has been withdrawn, and then you press OK. That is all. Thank you so much.